honor to meet you, Mr. President. This is amazing. Yesterday I was at Quahog Pond, pulling out carps just to watch them suffocate. And now look at me, with the winner of the 46th largest electoral college victory of all time. And I gotta say, I'm a huge fan of your board game, and your beef products, and your fraudulent university, and... Oh my God!
Oh, please. Every president since Washington has done this.
Okay, Peter, your main job here is to go in rooms before me to make sure there's no static electricity.
Don't go in there. It's not safe.
Well done, Peter.
Mr. President, please. I'm not interested. You'll regret this.
Mana Matota.
Hang on, he's still getting ready.